In this video, we're going to show you how to configure the wireless live streaming plugin for use with the RICOH THETA Z1 so you can stream untethered direct from the camera out to YouTube. The same technique will also work for Facebook. The plugin that we're using is the wireless live streaming plugin. This one's actually published by the RICOH company. It's free, and there is some level of documentation on how to use it online, so you could refer to that. If you're interested in installing the plugin and you're not sure how, this video here, Wireless 360 Live Stream, which dealt with a different plugin, but the installation process is the same. With the Z1 on, I have it in client mode. There's a CL next to the Wi-Fi icon. This indicates that the Z1 is connected to the router in my home. It could also be connected to a mobile phone. However, in this demonstration, we've connected it to a router, a standard Wi-Fi router. We've already installed the wireless live streaming plugin from the RICOH THETA plugin store. There are 4 buttons on the side of the Z1 body. Second from the bottom right here is the mode button. There are 2 types of presses. Long press for longer than 2 seconds and a short press. Long press the mode button. Release it. The plugin menu will appear. I've already established the wireless live streaming plugin in the first position. It's already selected as 1 here. Press the shutter button. The wireless live streaming plugin is now running. The camera is in client mode, and it's available to start, connect, and start the stream. Let's do that right now. In a previous video, this wireless 360 live stream RICOH THETA to VLC, I explained how to get the IP address of the camera. The IP address of the camera is generally the same if you use the same router. If you don't know how to get the IP address, watch this video here, wireless 360 live stream RICOH THETA to VLC. Once you have the IP address, type in the IP address. In this case, I know what it is. It's 200. Use port 8888. This menu will appear. This is coming directly from the camera. So the port here, this number after the colon, is always the same. It's 8888. There's 4 8s. The number prior to the colon is going to be different. It's being assigned by your wireless router. So you would need to type in your own IP address right here in order to get this menu coming up here. On YouTube, go to create a live event. So you have the stream URL here. It's always the same. So you could copy it here and drop it into your interface right here. Server URL is always the same. So on YouTube, it's called stream URL. On the wireless live streaming plugin, it's called server URL. And then you have to get your stream key right here. And then paste in the stream key. It's per session. So paste in the stream key. Let's fix this. This button here is not to fix it, so it's just to set it. So click on this button here. And tabs right here, analytics, stream health, and then stream settings. This is the key setting here, 360 video. Let's go back and restart it. When the 360 video button is enabled here on the live stream, again, it's purposely low resolution so I can test it in my home office during a COVID shelter in place here. But you should be able to see the navigation feature right here. And then if you were to share it, it comes up as a 360 view right here. You can tell because you have this nice little thing here for navigation. Assuming you have better bandwidth than I do at my house, you probably want to crank this thing all the way up to 4K right here. I have it set to the lowest possible setting here, and then crank up the bit rate here to auto. Assuming you're going to need about 15 megabytes a second upload at 4K. Thanks for joining us. Subscribe to the channel. If you like this particular video, give us a like. If you have some questions, drop it into the comment. In the future, we'll be covering how to live stream from a mobile phone, where you connect the Z1 to the mobile phone with a client mode, and the mobile phone will then push out the traffic out to YouTube.